Welcome to my channel. Getting a raise is the biggest challenge in a young worker's career. Today we're going to check out the best ways, phrases, and hacks that we can apply. Let's begin. First, we're going to look at the most important aspects of a worker. At the end of the video, I have made sure to add the best phrases that have helped me and others. So, in essence, there are certain things you can do to increase your chances of getting that payload. Show initiative. Be proactive and take on additional responsibilities beyond your job description. Show that you are willing to go above and beyond. Demonstrate value. Make sure your manager understands the value you bring. Highlight your accomplishments. Do this in the most efficient way. This means you should try to maximize everything. The more work you show that you have on your shoulders, the more it seems you're doing. Be professional with it. Present yourself in a professional manner at all times. Be respectful to your colleagues and superiors. Avoid gossip or negativity. Communicate effectively. Communicate your goals, expectations, and concerns. Be willing to listen to feedback. Be open to suggestions. Build relationships. Build strong relationships with your colleagues and superiors and show that you are a team player. Sometimes asking for a raise may not be the best approach. It's important to understand the company's financial situation. Instead of just asking for a raise, consider having a conversation with your manager about your career goals and how you can add more value to the company. This can lead to a discussion about what it would take to earn a raise or promotion and may lead to a plan for how to get there. During these discussions, use phrases such as, "I would like to discuss my compensation." "I have been working hard and have taken on additional responsibilities." "I have researched the market and believe my salary is below the industry standards." "I am committed to the company's success and would like to discuss how I can continue to grow with the company." "I am grateful for the opportunities I have had here and appreciate your support in helping me grow in my role." By taking a more strategic approach and focusing on your long-term career growth, you may be able to achieve a raise in the future. That's pretty much all the best tips. Now go nail that career.